Still working on practice exam 6. Here we are on questions 5 and 6. A few more journal entries. Then on to the big balance sheet question. Alright, so here is a preferred stock question. Durazin issued 225,000 shares of preferred stock with no par value. In exchange for the preferred stock, Durazin received 225,000 cash. Prepare the journal entry for the issuance of preferred stock. Wow, that's really easy. All right, so we'll make a journal here. Date, account, debit, credit. And so we're getting in cash. All right, so on 1/1/19, we increase the asset cash, $225,000. And we increase the equity account preferred stock, 225,000. That's it. That's all that needs. All right. Next question. Here's another loan question with some interest, so that's good. On August 1, Mills Corp. received cash and signed a 3-year note for $600,000 at 9%. All right, so that's a long-term liability. Note paid quarterly, so 4 times per year. Once every 3 months, they're going to pay $50,000 plus interest. So $50,000 plus interest, paying that every 3 months, beginning November, right? So if you have it August, September, and October, that's 3 months. So on November, you're going to pay. Prepare the journal entry for the payment of the first installment on November 1, 2019. Assume no interest has previously been accounted for in the 3 months between 8/1 and 11/1. All right, so in other words, we haven't done any adjusting entries. We're just account for interest expense. All right, so we're going to pay $50,000, right? First installment plus interest, and of course we pay for stuff with cash. So on 11/1, right, we're going to have note payable. And that we know is $50,000. We're going to have interest expense. We don't know what that is. And of course we'll pay for that stuff with cash, and until we know interest expense, we don't really know how much cash. So interest expense, of course, is our I equals P times R times T. So this is not the principal. The principal is the whole thing that's outstanding, $600,000 times the rate, 9%, times 3/12 is equal to 13,500. All right, so interest expense is 13,500, so that means cash is, add those together, so 63,500. All right, so a problem doing some interest stuff. All right, so you'll have similar but maybe not the exact same problems on your test. In the last video, problem 7, we're going to do a balance sheet. All right, so in the next video, come back and we got a trial balance, and we will just make one of those classified balance sheets.